how can you change your avatar on your Duolingo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on profile. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on change avatar. So then you just switch into open with you here, and here can you create your avatar in this list, and here can you skin tone or body, and here is so a color here, and here can you here can you or here hairstyle. So then here if you want to glasses color or glasses, here can you add it in here. So when you just click on it, headwear color, if you want to add your headwear here too. So here can you just swipe like this, then can you create your avatar. When you're done, click here on done, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.